I realized that a lot of crypto ideas are dying because of lack of funding. This lack of funding is the reason why some projects are so beautiful, okay, they are so exciting, but they never get to the mainstream. Okay, and even up to now, Uniswap is still, pulling out funds from investors all around the world, and even PancakeSwap and the rest of them. So you need funding for your projects to succeed. I've seen quite a number of young, brilliant guys working on several crypto projects, and their project is not getting the right attention because they lack the funding. So for this reason, I promise you guys that I was going to be making videos about platforms where you can get funding for your projects. Okay, where you can get funding for your projects. It's not really as hard as you guys are thinking. So this is an example of the platform. In the previous video, I talked about where you can get funding for your project as an African. Now this is a global opportunity for everyone. So probably you are searching on YouTube and you are finding information about how to fund your project on YouTube or on Google, and you stumble on this video, then rest assured that this is going to be helpful to your career. This is going to be helpful to your journey, right? So if you like content like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, right? So now, here for projects, this is a platform we call AlphaGrowth.io. Okay, of course, in crypto world, you know what an alpha is. Okay, alpha is something that is very beneficial. Okay, so you can find the grants right here. You can find the grants if you have an account on the platform. You can find an investor. If you want, a couple of grant opportunities. Company that we have helped so far. So they've helped all of these companies so far. Okay, Arken, WePiggy, Crypto Blaze Kingdom, Interlace, Composable, Rubber Vault, and a lot of them. So make sure that you click on this. When you click on this, then you need to follow all of these steps if you are looking for grants. Okay, you need to follow all of these steps. So they have $10.38 billion in grants are waiting for you. It means that they have already made investors who have the money and looking for something to invest in, and they are waiting for you. So all you just need to do is to have the right pitch, like a killer pitch that goes straight to the point. So we make it easy to connect you with highly quality blockchains who are ready to fund your project. Start sourcing grants today. Find your projects, set up your project, make your pitch, submit to over 120 plus grant program. Okay, it is that easy to use. And right now, this is a free platform. They're not asking you for any investment upfront. Okay, so make sure that you leverage this opportunity. So another thing I find so interesting about the platform is the fact that you can make a computer search. You can search for your competitors. You can research chains. Okay, you can research some other blockchains if you want. You can also find investors. Okay, you can find investors. So what is really most important is that you have an account on this platform. Look at the investors. Coinbase Ventures, Amonica Brands, Pantera, a bunch of other investors right here. So, but you need to get them by mail. Okay, these are the popular ones. If you want to have access to more investors, then you need to sign in by mail. All right. So, and they have like free access to growth signals on 15,000 crypto projects, right? Growth signal. So they're going to be sending you a lot of insightful newsletters, right? So make sure that you are signed on this website. Okay, so and you can also sign as maybe for investors. Maybe you are a group of venture capitalists and you're looking for projects to fund. So you can sign up as investors. Find project that you want. You can click on find projects. So these are projects, fastest growing project by Twitter, fastest growing by Telegram, fastest growing by Discord. No, so you can do your due diligence also and check out all of these projects. Then if you really want to explore this platform, you need to have an account signed in the platform. Okay. So they have a Telegram group, and I'm a member of the Telegram group. Okay. So where you can ask all kinds of questions with respect to your application, with respect to your application, your grants, your pitch, and stuff like that. So, but here are things that you need to take note. Make sure that you've already started your project, you have a website, you have a Telegram channel or Telegram group, or you have a Twitter account. Okay. because as you can see, they are going to be measuring a real life metrics. Okay, like they have a kind of analytics on this website that's going to measure your growth. So as you are losing members to your Telegram group, the metrics will be the information is going to be sent to this website. As you are gaining more members, it's going to be sent to this website. Okay, so make sure that in everything you are doing, make sure that you are growing. Okay, make sure that you are growing. That is very, very important. Okay, very important. Now, don't take this information for granted. Make sure that you apply it instantly. And if you have any question with respect to what I've said so far, make sure that you ask in the comment box or you join the Telegram group, okay, the crypto Telegram community, and ask me the question right there. So, but before you go, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. That is important. If you like information like this, I have an exciting playlist for you guys. You want to 10x your coins. If you are just a beginner, there's a complete course right here for beginners in crypto. You know, a couple of scam reviews I've done so far, crypto arbitrage and stuff like that. So make sure that you are signed in these websites and subscribe to the channel. So thanks so much for watching up to this point. I wish you success in your journey in this crypto industry, and bye for now.